Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing good. Today's the last day of February. Pretty nice. We actually dried out a little bit, so I think I want to go down and try to work on this road where I moved a big rock back a while. And today and tomorrow, spend some time trying to get that graded out. I've got the big blade on the front of the John Deere. I'm going to try using it. I may have to end up using my bucket, but I think it might work pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Okay, for the ones over that's watching that might not have the backstory on this project, we got a road coming down in here. It goes way all the way back through towards the end of the property, and this has been a real narrow spot because I couldn't get this big rock that was sitting here moved. It's down there over the bank now. Well, I finally got that rock moved, and what I'm wanting to do is shift this road up the hill. Got a couple issues with that though. There's this tree and the roots coming from it. There's a big root right here, probably from the same tree. So I don't know if I can bring enough dirt up to build this up and blend it over there, or what I'm going to do. I brought that blade thinking it might work good. This road slants to the left. It'd kind of be nice to get it leveled up too. I don't know. I guess we'll just have to start pushing and see. May end up having to go back and get the bucket. We'll see. I have to end up getting my stump bucket to break it out or something. But I think I'm gonna keep working this off a little bit right here and go down there and start pushing dirt, and we'll see what happens. Where that blade doesn't have an angle, it's at angles, but it doesn't tilt side to side to level it up. What I can do, I can roll it forward, and that makes this corner dig first. So if I want to dig more on this side, I can roll my bucket roll forward, and that'll let that corner dig to kind of help level this out. stump bucket. See if I can break some of this hard stuff up and some of these roots in this corner. And then I'll come back and work on the road some more tomorrow. I got that one big root broke, which I was wanting to. And I'm gonna keep gouging up through here and get a little bit of that broke back to where I can get the road on over a little better and not be riding up on that stuff. I think I can get through there tomorrow now. I won't quit for tonight. But I believe I got enough of that edge broke out and busted up. I can get through there with my bucket without twisting my loader up. And then if I run into something, I'll go back and put the stump bucket back on. But that old stump bucket, good thing about it, it don't twist your loader up. You can put a lot of pressure on it and like breaking them old roots and stuff without warping your loader up. So I think it's gonna make a big difference right here when I get it finished up. Appreciate y'all watching. If you will, please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch back with you on the next video, which will be on this project.